invite the speakers in order so that it's easy for people to come up.
In today's episode about the Health and Safety Committee, we are going to talk about the responsibilities of the chairperson of the Safety Committee. As in any committee, the chairperson plays a vital role in the success of that particular committee. And that applies to the Safety Committee as well. The chairman must be a very dedicated person, and that person needs to attend every Health and Safety Committee meeting. And for some reason that the person cannot attend or chair the meeting, that chairperson is in responsibility to find somebody that can stand in for him or her as the chairperson of the particular meeting. The chairperson must also be actively involved in the meeting. The chairperson is a member of the committee and needs to be part of it in the discussions, in leading, in listening, taking advice, and also assisting fellow members in making the correct decisions and choices and taking the necessary corrective actions. At times, a meeting can become extremely hectic. There can be total chaos, and it is the chairperson's responsibility to ensure that there's order during the meeting. And it's also important to make sure that there's only one meeting. I often get it where people would start talking amongst each other, or they are on their phone, or they take a call, or something like that. That must be stopped. It's not allowed during a meeting. There must be order, and that is the chairperson's responsibility. In the Constitution, mention is made of a quorum, where the number of people that attend the meeting meets that requirement as stipulated in the Constitution. If that is not the case during the meeting, that meeting cannot be held, and it is the chairperson's responsibility to cancel the meeting at that point. Make sure that at the next meeting, people do attend and that a quorum is met. In a case where the meeting does not take place, the chairperson must make sure that the secretary notes down the exact reason why the meeting did not take place and record it accurately so that it can be noted, put on file, and the people that was not there or attended it are notified accordingly. Sometimes it's necessary to vote about a certain topic. It is the chairperson's responsibility to make sure that the voting takes place on an honest way and that people are not influenced to vote a certain way, and that it is recorded accurately by the secretary. If the chairperson of the committee is aware of very pertinent health and safety topics that need immediate attention, it's the chairperson's responsibility to convey that message to the MD or country manager or the person in charge of the particular plant so that that safety concern can be addressed immediately and rectified. Just to recap, the chairperson attends and chair every Health and Safety Committee meeting. The chairperson must actively participate in the meeting as a member, make necessary arrangements if they cannot attend a meeting, to make sure that somebody stands in for them, to maintain order during the meeting. And if there's not a quorum, that the meeting gets cancelled and that gets noted accurately. And if there's votes to be taken, to make sure that it takes place on an honest way. And if there's any specific topics that may arise that it's reported to the managing director or owner, country manager of the company, so that it can be addressed as soon as possible.
We need like the speakers in order so that it's easy for people to come up too.
I'll be leaving.
Oh, it's okay, yeah.